guys, it's Lindsay again. I thought I would do like a spring cleaning video. Oh my god, this is a padding. I thought I would do like a spring cleaning video because my room's a mess right now, and I was like, well, should I film a video or clean my room? And I was like, why not make it a video? I got ideas from Margot Lee's video, but she did it a few weeks ago. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a spring cleaning video. I'll probably just like talk as I go, like say like good tips for spring cleaning and whatnot. It's not even spring, literally, look outside. That is snow. Love Canada, don't you? Yeah, so it's snowing outside, and we're just gonna clean. So one tip I like to do is, okay, so the first tip I would say is, I think Margot said this, I don't remember, I watched it a while ago, but focus on one part of your room, because if you're cleaning different parts, you're just gonna have, like, you're not gonna get anything done, because if you clean one part of your room, then you can focus on that being clean, and then like work your way around. So if you don't have time to do everything, at least you got one part of it done. So what I'm gonna do is change the bed sheets on my bed and get all the stuff off my bed. So also my closet is seriously so messy, and I may do a separate video about that because it's literally disgusting in there. Something's probably living in there, but I just have clothes everywhere. I just throw things on the floor. Like, I don't have enough hangers for pants, so I just like throw them over my rod thing, and it's a mess. And yeah, I still need to decorate. But what I'm gonna do is clean off my, oh my god, my hair is so frizzy, off my bed, and then put new sheets on it. Okay. But yeah, I'm just gonna take stuff off and then put new sheets on it. So interesting, I know. That's gonna be all for today. Wow, that took me 14 minutes to make my bed. I'll probably finish this tomorrow, so I may change outfits, that's why. Hey guys, it's Lindsay again. Ignore the bad lighting, but this is like my third outfit in this video, but I'm cleaning my room and I can't just do it in one day because I don't have the time. Currently, well, there's just coats on my bed, but I'm just gonna take that off. And then what I was gonna say is, I always like making my bed in the morning, but I never have time. It makes my room look so much cleaner, because like a messy bed is like the focal point of your room, and if it's messy, then it just like adds like this messy like aura. I don't even know what to say. It adds like, I don't know, it just makes your room look more like, it just like, I don't know how to say it. So I just notice more mess when I don't make my bed. But my next tip for cleaning would be when you're going through stuff, like on my makeup desk or something, I have them like tester bottles, not tester bottles, but like tester things, and if they're empty, I need to throw them out. So if you're done with something, get rid of it, or if it's garbage, I just have a garbage when you're cleaning, because like you may like have like an old, I don't really eat in my room like packaged stuff or water bottles. I usually have like a refillable water bottle, but if you have like a lot of water bottles and you want to throw them out, definitely like bring something to put them in. So you're not just like, oh, I'll throw that out later, but like if you have somewhere to put it, you can just take it out when you're done. To throw stuff out or recycle, save the environment. I don't know if you can see that, but I had like a garbage when I was cleaning up my closet. Yeah, so right now I think I'm gonna clean my makeup desk. My drawer is such a mess. That's where all my makeup is, and I need to clean it sometime. I bought like a foam board thing to help like divide it, but I need to get that divided, so we're just gonna ignore that if you see it. But I'm gonna clean the top of my desk because I have a lot of tester bottles and garbage from from opening products and stuff. So yeah, I'll set it up so you can watch me clean that. final result, guys. Looks like now. Ignore my ugly ass beauty blender. It's so shiny. So look how clean my desk is. Oh, look at this drawer. Yum. Just kidding. That's for another video. Just kidding. That's for another video. I have like this corner where my lamp is. Oh, by the way, I'm getting a ceiling light up there. Ceiling fan. Finally get rid of the lamp. And then back here I have just bags and stuff of like stuff. My next tip would be just get rid of clutter on, I'm sorry, I'm making noise. Yeah, my next tip would be just to get rid of clutter on your floor. It's just nice to have like a clean floor, just like bags on the floor. That's like my biggest pet peeve. Like I have so many things on my floor right now, but just cleaning the floor, like even vacuuming and all that, it just makes it so much better. Don't need this bag. Oh yeah, I had a present for my sister. She can't see that. Hey Grace. Holy receipt. Oh yeah, because these are all, oh my god. These are all from Aerie because I like bought leggings, returned leggings. Bought leggings, returned leggings because none of them fit me right. There's those, and then Sephora. And then, oh, they gave me samples. This like enzyme peel, this cleanser. Oh, that's cool. It has like the what you see online, like it has like the rating and stuff. This is my bag of Sephora samples I've never used. Yeah, so those can get added to the bag. I really need to get these framed. I hate myself for not getting them framed. From Ardeen, I never, and that's just my laundry hamper, like that. There, so it's not seen. That looks so much better. And that board is for a DIY I never did. Like I want to do like a Brandy Mobile sign, because those are cute, but never got to it. I forgot to film an outro, but thank you guys for watching, and if you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe. It would mean a lot, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!